Hi, my name is Brittany Henderson, and I chose my career profile as a victims advocate. There's a victim service unit in Anchorage, Alaska, where I'm from, and they listed some of as a work environment as a victim advocate, is they generally work in police departments and in county and criminal courts. They typically see victims in their office, so the normal work hours are 8 to 5. However, there are times when counseling services are needed at a crime scene, so they usually have they do routine rounds where someone is on call in case any of that happens. They're not like social workers though, where they are always on call and they can be called anytime. Some of the stressors that they might have is in dealing with emotions of a crime victim, because often usually when they see them, they're not done with the emotional toll that their ordeal has had on them. So you have also communication difficulties, because you deal with many different cultures, and also if they are emotional and not functioning correctly, it's hard to communicate with people. They also spend a lot of time coordinating times for the victims to meet in court and do interviews with prosecutors and district attorneys. So there's a lot of scheduling involved. So you're on your phone quite a bit also. Some of the common tasks that they do is they transport victims to court. So they also travel. They're accompanying victims in court proceedings. They're assisting in victims and filing protective orders, and they help victims seek restitution. They also notify victims when criminals transfer to other correctional facilities, have parole, or are released. The education requirements are a high school diploma and a bachelor's degree, and they typically want you to have some experience either in criminal justice or in behavioral sciences. And it depends on what place you apply to, but some of them said that college credits, they did apply as experience. So the starting salary is usually in the 30 to 35 range, and an experienced salary range is around 40 to 45,000. And I was looking at it, it looked like a victim's advocate. A lot of you'd move from being a social worker to going into victims advocate a lot of times, because I think a victims advocate, they'd get paid a little bit more, and there's not quite as much stress put on them. They do work with victims, but they're not in charge of them, kind of like a social worker would be. They don't have quite as much put on them, because they're mostly just transferring the court. They're the liaison between the victim and a court system, and that's kind of their job description. All right, that's all I have. Thanks so much. Bye.